Hey ghouls, today we're creating this creepy cute monster girl makeup look. I'm starting off this look with some glued down brows. Then I'm taking the Mehron Cream Blend Stick in the shade Moonlight White and absolutely covering my face and neck with it. I wanted this super pale, ghostly base for the monster vibe. Then I'm blending everything out with a sponge until it's nice, smooth, and fully even. I also made sure to keep the coverage pretty thick so the colors on top would really pop later. Next, I'm setting everything in place using the Mehron Color Set Powder because I did not want this sliding around while I turned myself into whatever nightmare creature this is. Now I'm taking the NYX Epic Ink Liner and starting to map out the giant monster teeth around my mouth. This part honestly looks ridiculous at first, but trust the process. Once I have the teeth sketched out, I'm going into my Mehron palette and using the white and black shades to really bring the mouth to life. First, I'm filling in all the teeth with white paint to make them super bold and cartoony. Then I'm using black to fill in the inside of the mouth and all the spaces between the teeth to give it that huge creepy grin. At this point, it already kind of looks like some unhinged cartoon monster, and honestly, I was digging it. Next, I'm grabbing my Morphe palette and mainly using this hot pink shade, while mixing in a few other pinks to add some more dimension. I'm blending that all around the mouth to give it that irritated, creepy monster effect. Then I'm bringing the pink around my eyes too, plus a little bit on the tip of my nose to tie everything together. After that, I'm taking more of a purple shade and blending it into the pink around my eyes and mouth to make everything look deeper and more bruised and creepy. Using a mix of the pink and purple shades, I'm also dragging some color down onto my neck. Then I'm taking a black shadow and deepening everything up around my eyes and neck to make it look more dark and hollow. Now I'm using the Sephora Intense Ink Liner to create a dramatic winged liner look. I wanted the eyes to still feel kind of pretty and glam, even with the giant monster mouth happening underneath. Then I'm taking that same liner and outlining all the teeth to make them stand out way more. I'm also adding a few extra little lines around the mouth to make everything look sharper and more exaggerated. Next, I'm going back into that white shade from my Mehron palette and adding that around the mouth to define the gums a bit more. Also touching up a few of the teeth. Then I'm deepening everything with black shadow around the mouth and eyes to make the whole look darker and more dramatic. I also added these drippy little lines coming down from my eyes because every creepy monster girl needs some little eye drips. Then I drew these pointed shapes above my eyes and filled them in with pink to give the look more of that creepy doll monster anime vibe. After that, I added darker shadow around them to make everything look more dimensional and sunken in. To finish everything off, I added more dark lines down my neck just to tie the whole monster look together. Then all that was left was throwing on some huge lashes and some insane contacts. And this is the final Monster Girl makeup look.